Hello guys, namaste, parev, ndiyepi, dumelang, goeiemorgen, sanbonani. Okay, here we have a laptop. This is an HP laptop. It turns on, I can hear a sound, I can see a light. We heard the sound, it starts beep, meaning everything is working. Press the cap is not working. Okay, so this is what you do. Didn't trust this keyboard, so came with my own keyboard. Connect the keyboard there, connect the charger, turn the machine on, hear the beep sound. So let's press the cap. There's the cap, numlock. There is numlock. It means this machine is working. Oh, even on this cap there's a light. So let me show you. When you press the light, it goes away. When you press the tiny light there, so you can see, yebo, even here two lights, numlock, and then yes. Okay, it means the machine is working 100%. So why it came to me, why they sent it here for a repair. Let's see why it was sent to me. Let me take a screen. All right guys, I have the screen. Okay, the screen has been connected. Okay, the screen is just white, no information on the screen. White and nothing on the screen. Okay, so what's next? Let's observe the cable. Let's change the cable first. How do I open this machine? Starts with the screws. Okay guys, I have an LVDS cable. Let's use another cable. Let's see. Do I have the same cable? Aibo, let me see. Okay, the string, it's still white. I don't know. Let me try another string, guys. Maybe the problem is the string we are using, but I'm not happy. The string still white. Okay guys, let's have a look under the microscope. I noticed something. I want to show you this. Let's see. Let's zoom in. Okay, there we are. This guy here spans, so we have to remove this. But luckily I have the same motherboard, so we have exactly the same motherboard that we can use to remove this chip. So let's remove this guy. Alright guys, I'm done. So now let's put back everything. Let's see. So I believe that this cable here, the one that spans this motherboard. So what I'm gonna do is I'll use my own cable because we don't want any issues. We don't want any issues. Where's my cable? Oh, there it is. Yeah, boy. Almost done. Okay, there we go. Enter administration password. All right. Done. The machine is working. Bye, guys, and take care.